Hello everyone. So today I have this 12-volt DC brushless water pump. So I will be, unboxing this today. I got it from Amazon. So I'm working on one of the DIY project, which is IoT based, watering your garden or planters. Okay. So let me unbox it for you and let's see whether it's turns out to be, as in the description. Packing seems out to be good. Okay. This is the small pump, and company claims that you can have 240 liters per hour as a flow rate. It has 4.8 watt motor, and it can pump or lift water up to 3 meters. So, okay. So this is the pump. What's else in the box? So you can check this. It has holes in it, so you can mount it. Okay, you can 3D print the parts, the different parts, and you can mount it in the box also. Okay, what's all? So this is the company card, thank you card, keeping the box side. Now we will talk on the motor pump part. So wire seems to be of good length. At least it should be half a meter. Okay, and the pump also seems to be rated correctly, 12 volt, 4.8 watt. Okay, and H max, which is the maximum height it can deliver, is 3 meters. Okay, and the outlet, if we talk about, this is 8 mm inlet and outlet. The company claims it to be quite okay. So it can be used in the various projects or parts. For example, you want to have a pump for aquarium. You want to build some, your DIY fountains, which you can place in the foyer area. You can use it for your hydroponics DIY projects. I'm gonna use it for my IoT projects, for watering my garden. So quickly, let's check it out and see what's the means sound it's generate, and is it having a good pressure or not. Let's test it out. So I will be using 12 volt 2 amps power source. So the power source you see in my hand is, I got the board from Robo or some places. I don't remember exactly, but you can get this power source board. It has, the short circuit and other features pre-enabled on it, and I have the jack, soldered to it so that I can easily use. Okay, this is 5.5 mm jack, not the 3.5 mm jack. Okay, so the box, what you see, I have 3D printed it. Okay, so you will only get the circuits, and it will not cost you much. It comes in different, voltage and different amperes. So what I have is 12 volt 2 amps. So I will be, you know testing my pump using this. So let me do one thing. You can see I have powered it on. Okay, you will see the green LED here. Okay, and let me try it out. Okay, so you can check this out. Actually, it's making noise. It's little bit more loud. So I will test it with water. I cannot test it over here, so I will test it with water and will let you know at what the sound would be when it when we supply water to it. So I can feel the air through it. And this is brushless DC motor, and it's not getting warm also quickly. The good thing is that you can place it inside the water and outside the water also, so it can work in both the way. It can work as a submersible motor also. So I will keep you posted. Do subscribe my channel, do like this. Thank you so much.